Hi guys, this is Umo and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I will show you the best way to make chicken peanut soup and you are going to love this recipe. So give me a thumbs up now, please. I have here a whole chicken which I already cleaned with vinegar and salt. Now I'm going to add just salt and pepper and mix this well. I will then heat a half cup of oil and brown my chicken. When you are cooking peanut soup, always do it in a deep pot to help it cook really well. Now this is not a quick recipe guys, so it will take more than 1 hour to cook because the secret for a delicious peanut soup is to give it time to cook. Then in a blender, I'm going to mix 2 garlic cloves with 1 big onion. I love fresh basil leaves, so I always add it in my soup. I will also add some parsley. If you love hot food, add some hot peppers, but my kids don't like to eat them, so I'm not going to add it in the blender. Then add the half cup of water and blend this. Pour the onion mixture on the chicken and cook for 5 minutes or until the liquid is almost absorbed. And if you love my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious African recipes. And I'm going to mix 2 fresh tomatoes with a cup of water. And I will also add a tablespoon of tomato paste and mix. Then I will pour it on the chicken and let it cook for 10 minutes while mixing often to prevent it from burning. Choose a good quality of peanut butter if you can. Take the one without sugar. The quality of the peanut butter you use will affect the result of your soup. I have here a cup of peanut butter which I'm going to dilute in 1 liter of water. I will then pour it over my sauce. I will add 2 other liters of water. So don't be afraid to add water in this soup. The more peanut butter cooked, the better the soup will be, I promise. I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning. You can add cubes or anything you like. Then add the hot peppers or any vegetable you like and salt to your own taste. Cook the soup on medium heat first without closing the lid. And when the soup starts to thicken, reduce the heat on very low and cook until you can see the oil on top of the soup. This can take a total of 45 minutes or even more. And when it's ready, serve with rice or fufu and enjoy. And if you love my recipes, please give me a thumbs up now. Have a nice day. Bye.